charged with indecent exposure. You wanted to do the PC on indecent?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with indecent exposure. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
May 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a defendant touching his private area at the Metro-owned downtown transit center located on 1900 Main Street, Harris County, Texas. The officer was advised by Metro Dispatch that the complainant called and stated that the defendant was exposing himself to her. The complainant told officers that the defendant was a black male in a blue hoodie and boarded a Metro bus, and then ultimately pointed the bus that he had boarded. Matching the description, and complainant witness confirmed that that was the same person. Complainant stated that the defendant followed her from across the street, pulled out his penis and started exposing it to her and looking at her. She further stated that the defendant began stroking his penis back and forth with his hands, looking at her without speaking, approximately 5 to 10 feet away. The complainant stated that she was unable to tell if he was erect, but she was able to clearly see his penis as he was stroking.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, the officers approached 2 males. I have to wait on body cam to see what the other male looked like, but my client's saying that wasn't him. He just...
I mean, I don't know. I think that there's probable cause to go forward now. Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, we will get the body cam to ensure and see if that is in fact you, because we don't know. All we know is that we have someone that has identified you. I will try to have them get the body. Do you have it now? What evidence do you have now?
This is a brand new case, Your Honor. This is the 26th, so I don't know. There's nothing in yet, so I literally just wrote this up before I came to court.
Okay, I will, Mr. Lane, I will try to have them get the information and the body cams as quick as possible so we can verify that it is you. I would say let's try hopefully a week. The problem is that I can't give you a PR bond because you continue to take off on us. I had your evading arrest at 7503 because we can't get you here. So, okay. Do you have any questions, sir? Right now, you're on probation for a felon in possession of a weapon. You're also on probation for possession of a controlled substance in the felony case. You picked up in April with us, you picked up an assault bodily injury. You have literally been given 3 PR bonds and you continue to take off.
I didn't get PR bonds, sir.
But you have. I'm showing that you failed to appear 516.
I just got a PR bond, sir. Excuse me.
Listen to the day.
So Roberto, please don't go. Okay, so I have 3 different occasions that you failed to appear. I cannot, in my good conscience, give you a PR bond when you continue to take off because I know if we give you another PR bond, what's going to happen?
I haven't had a PR bond, sir. I bonded out, and it's the only reason I'm back right here, right now, sir, is because someone took their name off the bond. I haven't did anything else and gotten in trouble. Someone just took their name off the bond because I couldn't get a co-signer. That's the only reason I'm back in jail right now.
I also have that you have failed to appear on 3 different occasions. Okay, so so what we're doing, regardless, your bonds are set at $55,000 upstairs.
And I'm going to make the bond this Saturday. That way I can take care of this stuff better.
You make the bond, I am now going to make you wear a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times, okay?
Yes, sir.
But I cannot give you a PR bond in this case, okay? Because you just don't show up when we ask you to show up. So regardless,
Here's where the case takes a serious turn. The judge isn't just looking at the new indecent exposure allegation, he's also considering the defendant's history of missed court appearances and prior felony cases. That's why a personal recognizance bond, or PR bond, is becoming much harder to justify. The defendant says he hasn't repeatedly received PR bonds, but the judge says the record shows multiple failures to appear. So, who do you think the judge should believe here, the defendant's explanation or the court record?
I know that the felony courts are trying to have you evaluated as well. Do it, because if you don't, the only thing it does is it prolongs your case even more.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
I think that we're okay. I don't think that there's,
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
yeah. So,
And now the judge lays out the consequences very clearly. The defendant will have a substantial bond, GPS monitoring if released, and strict expectations to stay in contact with his attorney and appear in court. The judge even warns that another failure to appear could send the bond dramatically higher. At this point, the message is simple: the court is giving him another opportunity, but that opportunity comes with conditions. Do you think these restrictions are reasonable given the history presented in court?
all right, good luck, Ms. Gallagher.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.